Hello everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making sesame seed balls. The outer part of the bowl are crispy and the fillings are made from mung beans. And the flavor of the filling is slightly salty. But if you prefer the sweet one, you can click on the link above. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for making the dough. And here are the ingredients for making the fillings. And you can coat the balls with black or white sesame seeds of your choice. Now we are going to make the fillings. First, pour 1 cup of water into a pan. Then pour 1 cup or 250 ml of coconut milk. And start to combine it over medium-low heat. Then put half teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of palm sugar, and then stir to dissolve it. When the salt and palm sugar are completely dissolved, put 1 cup or 230 grams of soaked mung bean in. These mung beans must be soaked in the water for 4 hours before using it. And then stir it continuously over medium-low heat until we have less water. The water is almost dry out, so lower the heat. And continue stirring it over low heat until the water completely dry out. The water is dry out and the mung bean is well cooked so that you can add 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion. Then start to combine it over low heat for 1 more minute and it's done. Let the mung bean cool down and now we start making the dough. First, put 3 cups or 400 grams of glutinous rice flour. Then add 6 tablespoons or 50 grams of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, 7 tablespoons or 105 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir to combine all the dry ingredients well. Next, we are going to pour gradually 1.5 cups of coconut milk into the dry ingredients. If you don't like coconut milk to make the dough, you can use the water instead. But with coconut milk, you will have the best flavor of the balls. So knead it until it turns to a dough. Our dough is done right now. So let's move to the next step. We are going to round up the fillings. Make it big or small, depend on your favorite. To me, I take about 1 tablespoon of mung bean and round it up. When you finish the mung bean, let's round up the balls. First, we are going to take a piece of dough. It should be bigger than the filling and round it up. After that, flatten it a little bit. Then press it gently to make it thinner. Next, put the filling in the center and wrap it up closely. And then form it to a ball shape again. But here we are going to flatten it a little bit. And then coat it with black or white sesame seed of your choice. Or you can coat it fully around the balls. We have prepared the balls, so let's deep fry it together. Heat is very important to deep fry the balls. First, we are going to use medium-low heat and wait until the cooking oil turns hot. We can use a chopstick to test the cooking oil if it is hot enough to drop the dough in. If the bubbles form around the stick and float up, means it's ready to drop the dough in. After you drop the dough in, turn the heat to the low heat. If you use the right temperature or heat, the balls won't break apart. Flip it often so it will cook evenly. Right after we drop the dough in, it will dip into the bottom of the pan. Once it's cooked, it will float up. The balls are done. It looks so good. So, thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea, please leave your comment down below the video. And don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. And if you are new here, please subscribe to get more recipe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.